The effects of pollution on wildlife. Pollution is one of the greatest threats to the natural world, causing serious harm to wildlife across the globe. From land to oceans, air to rivers, pollution disrupts ecosystems, endangers species, and leads to long-term consequences for biodiversity. The survival of many animals depends on how effectively humanity can control and reduce pollution. 1. Air pollution. Airborne pollutants, such as smoke, chemicals, and toxic gases, affect both animals and their habitats. Birds, for example, often suffer respiratory problems from polluted air. Acid rain, caused by industrial emissions, damages forests and aquatic systems, making it harder for animals to find food and shelter. 2. Water pollution. Rivers, lakes, and oceans are heavily impacted by industrial waste, oil spills, and plastic pollution. Aquatic animals, such as fish, turtles, and seabirds, often mistake plastic for food, which can block their digestive systems and lead to death. Chemicals and heavy metals in water also poison marine life, disrupting food chains. 3. Land pollution. Solid waste, pesticides, and toxic chemicals dumped on land degrade soil quality and affect the plants animals depend on. Landfills attract animals, but the waste often contains harmful substances that cause illness or death. Habitat destruction through pollution also limits safe areas where wildlife can thrive. 4. Noise pollution. While less visible, noise pollution from industries, transportation, and urban areas has a severe impact on wildlife. Marine mammals, such as whales and dolphins, struggle to communicate and navigate when disturbed by ship engines and sonar. On land, loud noises can disturb nesting birds, leading to reduced breeding success. 5. Light pollution. Artificial lighting disrupts the natural cycles of many species. Nocturnal animals lose their ability to hunt or hide effectively, while migratory birds are confused by city lights, often leading to fatal collisions. Conclusion. The effects of pollution on wildlife are wide-ranging and devastating. It affects not only the health and behavior of animals but also the balance of entire ecosystems. Protecting wildlife requires stronger environmental laws, cleaner technologies, and collective responsibility to reduce pollution. Only by addressing these challenges can we ensure a safer future for the natural world and the species that share our planet.